With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi friends, the question is 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate crystals are dissolved in 100 ml of water. So 20 ml of this solution requires 18 ml of potassium permanganate during titration for complete oxidation. So the weight of potassium permanganate present in 1 liter of solution is, here they gave 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate crystals are made up in 100 ml of water. So from this 100 ml of solution they take 20 ml of solution requires 18 ml of potassium permanganate during titration. So what will be the weight of KMNO4, that is potassium permanganate, present in 1 liter of the solution? So they gave a 4 option. So let us find out how much KMNO4 present in 1 liter of the solution. Okay, so let's calculate. So first, ferrous ammonium sulfate crystal is nothing but a Morse salt. Okay, so it is also called as Morse salt. So the formula will be like FeSO4 dot ferrous ammonium sulfate hexahydrate, 6 moles of water. Okay, so first we have to find out the molecular weight of this salt. So molecular weight will be equal to the sum of the atomic weight of the above atom. So for iron, so it is 56 atomic weight plus sulfur 32 plus oxygen 16, here 4, so 4 into 16 plus 2 nitrogen 14 plus 4 into 1 hydrogen 1, so there are 4 present, so 4 into 1 plus sulfur again 32 plus oxygen 4 into 16 and then plus 6 moles of water, so 6, 2 into 1 plus 16. Okay, so when we simplify this we will get the molecular weight of Morse salt, that will be equal to 392 gram. Okay, so here they gave that 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate crystals are dissolved in 100 ml of water. So in 100 ml of water they dissolve 3.92 gram of salt. Okay, so then the molarity will be molarity of the solution. So we are going to find out the molarity will be equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, volume of solution in liter. So number of moles of solute is nothing but the given weight divided by molecular weight. So here given weight is 3.92 divided by molecular weight is 392. Okay, so that will be divided by, so let me write again, so it will be clear when I write again. So that is given weight taken weight 3.92 divided by molecular weight 392 divided by volume of solution in liter. So here they gave 100 ml of solution. So liter for liter, so 100 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so this will be equal to 0.1 molar. So the concentration of the solution, Morse salt solution, will be 0.1 molar. We find out the molarity. And then next to this, the general oxidation reaction, when we titrate against KMNO4 and Morse salt, the following reaction will take place. MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus and Mn2 plus. So here there is a change in the oxidation state because here manganese will have +7 oxidation state and it will convert into Mn2 plus, and here iron Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So we have to find out the N factor. So N factor of MnO4 minus is nothing but the change in the oxidation state. So here 7 to 2, so 7 minus 2, that will be equal to 5. And N factor of iron, okay, Fe2 plus, would be equal to 3 minus 2. So change 3 minus 2, that will be equal to 1. Okay, so next to that we have to know, that is number of equivalent of KMNO4 will be equal to number of equivalent of Morse salt. Okay, number of equivalent of Morse salt. So therefore now we are going to apply the formula, that is normality of KMnO4 into 18 into 10 power minus 3. So 18 into 10 power minus 3 is nothing but that 20 ml of more salt solution require 18 ml of potassium permanganate. So we should write in liter. So we are writing 18 ml of potassium permanganate is into 18 into 10 power minus 3. So that will be equal to 1 is the N factor of iron, that is more salt, so particularly iron. So Fe2 plus, so the N factor will be 1. So into, and we already find out the molarity of the solution, more salt solution, that is 0.1 molar. Okay, into volume is 20 ml. 20 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate solution require 18 ml of KMnO4. So here 18 ml for KMnO4 and here we have to write 20 ml. So in liter into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So this is N factor, this is molarity. And normality of KMnO4 will be equal to 20 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So number of equivalent, we can write like number of equivalent divided by volume in liter will be equal to 20 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 1. Okay. So therefore number of equivalent is equal to 20 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 1 into 1 liter, because here in the question the weight of KMnO4 present in 1 liter of solution. So we have take that as a 1. Okay, 1 liter. So number of equivalent is equal to 20 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 1 into 1. Okay. So here we are going to write the number of equivalent substituent, that is nothing but the mass. So number of equivalent, so M mass divided by molecular weight divided by N factor. Okay. So N factor. So that would be M will be equal to, so molecular weight is nothing but the M will be equal to molecular weight divided by N factor into 20 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 1. Okay. Now we are going to substitute. So molecular weight of KMnO4. So for molecular weight of KMnO4 we have to sum up the atomic weight of KMnO4. So for potassium it is 39. So mass of KMnO4. So for potassium it is 39. For manganese it is 55 and oxygen 16. So 4 into 16. 4 into 16 divided by N factor. We have already find out that N factor for MnO4 minus is 5. So here KMnO4, so 5. So 5 into 20 divided by 18 into 10 power minus 1. By simplifying all this, finally we will get MS equal to 3.476 gram. So the mass of potassium permanganate or the weight of potassium permanganate for 1 liter of solution will be 3.476 gram. Okay. So the answer will be 3.476 gram. So the remaining are not answers. So this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.